What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. In today's video, you are going to see how to head over to your Instagram, and once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired section, and then go to your DM section on the top right, and here go to any conversation. Just send any chat you want. Suppose I have sent this, and if I want to delete it and keep tapped on it, and here comes the layout, and here tap on unsend, and it will allow you to delete in the both sides of your conversation. So once you unsend it from your side and with the person you are having a conversation with, both sides, the text is deleted. So yeah, this is how you can just delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.